I've been with Casco for 22 years, and I have to say I love my job. I enjoy coming to work every day. One of my favorite things about working for Casco are the Casco families that I've worked with so many years. I remember the kids coming in, sitting up on my counter while their parents did their banking. They were so excited to come in to tell me that they lost their first tooth or they started their first day of school, and then it was off to graduating, and now I'm writing their first car loans or writing their first Visa credit cards. I'll never forget the day that a girl came in to tell me that she had just graduated and she received a Casco scholarship. And I felt so humbled because not only was she excited about the scholarship, but she was excited because it was a Casco scholarship.
I have been a member since 1993. I really love this credit union. Patty is my go-to person, yes. If she's available, I like to go to her and do my business and maybe visit for a few minutes. It's a delight having her.
I remember a gentleman had come into the credit union who was recently going through a divorce, and I noticed that he was beside himself. So I asked him a question of what's going on, and he said, well, I'm going through a divorce and I'm afraid I'm going to lose my home. So I asked him to come into my office and sit down with me for a few minutes, and he said it was his family home that he had grown up in, and they had taken all the equity to preserve the home. So I've known him for many years, and I knew that he had a vehicle that was paid for, that was fairly new. So I said, well, why don't we use your vehicle and hold that as collateral? So once I pulled the credit, I noticed that he was suffocating in credit card debt. So we were not only able to pay the credit card debt off, but also pay off the buyout on his home. So he was able to keep his home. We got right to work, got it done for him, and he was extremely happy. He saved hundreds of dollars a month. If somebody came into the credit union and I offered them a product and their response back to me was, I would never qualify, or I had some hard times, my credit's trashed, I would probably say to them, let's take a look at it. Everybody has circumstances. That's part of life. Don't give up hope. Nothing pleases me more than saving people money or helping them purchase a vehicle or buying that home that they never thought was even attainable.